Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of configuring the radio group element on vDesigner 2.0. Open your vDesigner canvas to begin the setup. Create a new page and head to the Elements section, search for the radio group, and drag it onto your page. Feel free to change the reference name to whatever suits your needs. If necessary, adjust the label text for the radio group. You'll see two options under Input Source, Data Storage and Enumeration. Select Enumeration. To create a new enumeration, click on the 9 dots in the top left corner. Select Design and Architecture, and then open the Data Modular. Click on Create Enumeration, and assign a key to this new enumeration. Provide a unique key to this enumeration. You could name it something like Language, or any key of your choice. Once the enumeration is created, double-click on it to open the settings. Create key value pairs. For instance, you might set 1 as the key and Hindi as the value. Add another pair, like 2 for Spanish, and continue adding as many as you need. After you've finished adding all the key value pairs, click on Save to save your changes. Go back to your vDesigner workspace. Under Input Source, select the enumeration you've just created from the Master section. Hit Commit to apply all your changes. Head over to the Applications tab, click Deploy, and click on Confirm. Go to Downloads, and click on Launch Web Application to see your changes in action. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.